What are you watching, Joe? They're going on a walk.
Patience. Well, how about you ask for it nicely? Be polite. Well, we're not watching Dalmatians unless you ask for it nicely. Come on, you know how to ask for something nicely. How do you ask for something nicely? Oh, your birdhouse.
Who's that?
Josie and Mommy.
It's the name of my birdhouse.
Whose name is it?
My name's my birthday.
Oh.
It's named my birthday. It's my happy birthday.
Oh, I don't think
Oh.
it's
Go away.
Be nice. Be nice.
She's stuck in the thumb. Why aren't you wearing underwear? Who'd you paint that with?
It's Mommy Dorsey paint that.
Oh.
See my hole? See that hole out there?
Mm-hmm.
We made a birdhouse.
Ah. What's this?
Look! Dalmatians! Dalmatians!
She's
It
jealous
is.
from this cut.
Who's your favorite Dalmatian?
It's my Dalmatian.
Oh.
That's fine. Hey,
Oh, there's a recording going on.
here's my picture of my TV.
What's that picture? What's that a picture of?
Look, you see my TV. That's why.
Do you want some? Do you need help?
All these nozzles, sippy cups, we're getting rid of.
Cheese.
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 It's a video. You can say hi. See?
There you go.
Video of Mom.
We got bones.
Yeah, what are you eating?
We eating bones.
We're eating what?
We got bones. That yours bones.
Yeah, mine's brown.
That is that one brown. That one yellow.
Yeah.
Like that one brown. That one yellow. That one yellow.
Don't tip over my ice cream.
Okay.
You gotta eat yours before it melts.
Here you go, Dan.
Can I sit next to you? I'll sit right here.
Okay.
I don't think so.
What you doing?
Be soft. I mean,
Hey,